Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and my friends of this channel. So, after a long time, we have another short episode of Professor Mende, and today it's just to tell you about what we've been keeping us busy the last few weeks. 3 weeks ago, a new idea was born. It's called Proof of Fusion, which is an event which is happening at the race weekend in Abu Dhabi from the 9th till the 12th of December, which is from today, tomorrow, and after tomorrow. But tomorrow there's the super day happening, which is the Saturday. So, guys, I will go a little bit through this event and just show you what we've been doing, and then I'm going myself straight to Abu Dhabi where everyone is already waiting. But I feel that this video is extremely important for you and you should know what I've been up to, because all of this also benefits Bonuz. Of course, Bonuz is the title sponsor. So yeah, let's start with the trailer. All right, my friends. So let's adjust. All right, so this is the Proof of Fusion website. And basically Aiken will be speaking there, Safar Jafri will be speaking there, and this is where it happens, in the middle of the racetrack at the legendary Yas Hotel, which is now the W. So there are some concerts happening outside and all those incredible people are supporting us. Remember, we pulled this off in just 3 weeks and we have the biggest names here. And some really epic people like Vays Chowdhury of the Quantum Age Corporation. If you hear his things, it's next level. We have Chris Crypto, we have Rob Grin from Meta Hero, we have Da Vinci, Carl from the Moon, Joshua Bowles, Joseph Holm, Richard Stromberg, Jonathan Levy. And these are extreme people, guys. It's not a joke. They are like very, very serious. We have some of the biggest guys like Tony Vays, Dr. Marwan Al-Zaruni, Thomas Vocevoda from Chainlink. It's endless. And there will be some launches happening of some new products. Even Bonuz will make a huge announcement there. Huge. So stay surprised for this. And also a lot of celebrities coming. We have even German ex-national former player from the soccer, Kevin Kurani, Lucas Riga, he will be performing on stage and singing. We have S1 Grammy recording artist, and last and least, Saigin Yalchin. Also, obviously, we have also Slavik right here, who is twice winner of the German Comedy Prize. And a lot of these guys here, they all support Bonuz, by the way. So yeah, we have ambassadors like Justin Wu, who is the founder of Decentral, which is probably one of the best communities in the whole crypto space worldwide. And NBA stars, and it's just endless. Our own team, obviously a lot of top A people, geniuses, and only with the help of everyone we were able to pull this off. So what will be very special at Proof of Fusion is actually that there will be a message sent from space to the Earth to tell people that there will be food cooked in space and that 1 billion people on the Earth also cook the food. So like 1 billion meals at the same time. And this is done by Bernd Breiter, who already has Matthias Maurer, the astronaut in space at the ESA. And Bernd, he also partnered with us and prepared a good show. And yeah, his events, they are like this. It's the World Club Dome. It's really huge. And it's super amazing. We have Cointelegraph as a strategic partner, which will be covering the whole event. It's really, really, really amazing. Let me show you the amazing trailer. And let me know in the comments what you think about this amazing trailer, if you actually think it's amazing. And yeah, this was my little update. After a while, just so you know what I'm up to. Proof of Fusion. Bonuz.
The most inspiring things happen When elements merge that seemingly don't belong together. Wind and sand, the night and flashing lights, education and entertainment. Welcome to Proof of Fusion. Because the world is a complex structure and everything is connected, let's work this way. Crossing borders, networking out of the box to create something incredible the world has not seen before. This one-of-a-kind event brings together the top thought leaders, investors, influencers, and entrepreneurs in blockchain, NFT, and crypto, with government leaders, visionaries, entertainers, and artists, connecting businesses on all levels, bringing together elements, unleashing the energy that lives within all of us. The alchemy of life. This is Proof of Fusion. With Big City Beats, Space Club Kitchen.
Proof of Fusion.
Wow, every time I see this, I get goosebumps, guys. This is epic. This is beyond everything. So yeah, I hope you like it. And remember, the fusion is when all the things come together, all the industries. That's why we had this idea, Ivan and me, to mix the main world, the main sports world with the crypto world. Because in Abu Dhabi, all the people, all the celebrities, everyone, a lot of decisions makers will be all on the same spot. So the fusion is happening, and the next proof of fusion will be also happening in Monaco. So be ready, and if you like to support us, always try to support us. It's good for humanity. Thank you.